this video is to show you new Easter eggs in Photoshop CC 2020. So, let's dive in. Click on Edit and click on Preferences, and in the dialog box click on Interface. By holding Alt plus Shift keys, click on one of the colored chips. See, it changes to bread toast. While the toast is visible, press Shift plus Control and click on the toast. It will change into cups of coffee of varying strengths to represent the color themes. The second Easter egg. On the toolbar are three small dots representing the Edit toolbar. On the Edit toolbar dialog box, click on Done while holding Shift key. You will see banana on the place where the three dots are. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.